In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free AI videos on Grok. We'll start from a fresh browser and go all the way to downloading your finished clip, keeping everything simple and clear. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and look for the official Grok website. It should be the result that points to grok.com. Click that to enter the platform. Starting from Google is helpful if you're not sure of the exact address, and it also makes it easy to spot the official site. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand panel and click on Imagine. This is Grok's creative workspace, where text prompts can be turned into visuals, including short AI videos. If your screen is small, the panel may be collapsed, so hover or expand it to see the Imagine option. Now you're ready to write your prompt. In the prompt box, describe the video you want in plain, specific language. For example, you could say, create a funny AI video of a clumsy robot trying to act cool but failing. Clear direction helps the model understand the mood, action, and style. If you want to guide it further, add details like setting, camera angle, or pacing, but keep it concise so the main idea stays focused. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Grok will start generating your video. Processing time can vary depending on complexity and current traffic, so give it a moment. Try not to navigate away while it works. If generation takes longer than expected, a quick refresh after a minute can help reload the status without interrupting the process. When the video is ready, you'll see a preview. Use the playback controls to review the results. If it's close but not quite there, adjust your prompt by clarifying the action or tone and submit again for a new version. Small, targeted edits, like specifying slow-motion stumble or neon-lit alley at night, often make a big difference. Finally, when you're happy with the result, look for the download option near the video and save it to your device. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider renaming the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later. That's it. You opened Grok from Google, went into Imagine, wrote a clear prompt, submitted it, reviewed the output, and downloaded your AI video.